Hello everyone. Today in this video we will make a sentence with these words. So let's begin. I am a good student. He is my best friend. She likes to read books. It is a sunny day. We are going to the park. They play football every evening. You are very kind. Me, please give me a glass of water. Us, the teacher told us a story. Him, I will help him with his homework. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.